Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix auto shutdown problem on Windows 10 or 11. So guys, to resolve this problem, click on start, type regedit, open registry editor, so right click on it and run as administrator. It will ask permissions, so click on yes. Now guys, firstly export this registry editor, and if you have any problem, so you can import your registry editor. So export and save. Now let's start to resolve shutdown problem. Firstly, expand HK local machine, then software, then expand Microsoft. Now find out in this list Windows. Now right click on Windows and new and key. Now type Windows Update. So type this Windows Update and double click on it. Now right click on it, new, and type a new key, AU. Now double click on AU. Now right click anyway, new, and select D132. Now type no auto reboot with logged or user. So type similar, capital and smaller as written here. Now double click on it. Will data make 1, then OK. Now close it and restart your PC. So hopefully guys, using this simple and easy steps we can fix auto shutdown problem on Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.